Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I want to talk with you about one of the biggest problems that many English learners face is the problem of listening to fast English. Maybe this happened to you before. You study English words. You read English books. You feel good. But then you watch a movie or listen to a podcast or talk to a native speaker. Suddenly, the English feels like a river moving too fast. The words crash into each other. You cannot catch them. You feel lost. You may even think, maybe my English is too weak. Maybe I will never understand fast English. But my friend, this is not true. You can understand fast English. You only need the right way to think about it and the right way to practice. Let me explain this challenge with a simple story. The train story. Imagine you are standing beside a train station. A train goes past very slowly. You look out the window. You see the people inside. You notice their clothes, their faces. You have time to wave at them. Now imagine the train goes past very fast. Zoom is gone in a second. You cannot see the people. You only see colors and shapes. For many English learners, fast English feels like the second train. The words move too quickly. They blur together. You cannot catch them. But here is the truth. The train is still the same. The same people are inside. The only difference is speed. In the same way, fast English is not different English. It is the same words you already know. They just move quickly, and they connect to each other. Why it feels so hard? So why does it feel so hard? Because when words are spoken fast, sounds change. For example, going to becomes gonna. Did you becomes did ya. People link words together. It feels like one long sound, not separate words. This is normal. Native speakers do not think about it. But for learners, it feels like a puzzle. So here is the big mistake many learners make. They try to catch every single word when listening to fast English. They believe, if I do not understand all words, I failed. But no, this thinking only brings stress. And stress makes listening harder. Instead, I want to give you a new way to think. The ocean story. Imagine you go swimming in the ocean. At first, you are afraid. The waves are big. You try to fight every wave. You get tired. You think, I cannot do this. But then a lifeguard teaches you. He says, do not fight every wave. Instead, let the waves carry you. Focus on the rhythm. Float with the water. Suddenly, swimming feels easier. Listening to fast English is the same. Do not fight every word. Do not try to catch them all. Instead, listen for the rhythm, the main idea, the key words. Let the sound carry you. A practical way to train. So how can we practice? Let me share a simple method. Step 1. Choose short, real English. It could be a short movie clip or a part of a podcast or a YouTube video. Just 1 minute is enough. Step 2. First, listen without reading. Do not worry about full understanding. Just relax and notice the rhythm. Step 3. Listen again, but this time, focus on 1 or 2 key words. For example, if the speaker says, I'm going to meet my friend at the cafe, maybe you catch meet and friend. That is already success. Step 4. Listen many times. Each time, you will hear more. Like looking at the same train again and again. Slowly, you will see more details. Step 5. If you can, read the subtitles or transcript after listening. Compare what you heard with the real words. Notice how sounds changed. Step 6. Repeat the same short clip many times over days. Your brain will learn the patterns. The next time you hear fast English, your brain will recognize it faster. The bicycle story. Let me give you one more image. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. At first you fall. You cannot balance. You think this is impossible. But then you practice again and again. One day, suddenly you ride smoothly. You do not think about balance anymore. Listening to fast English is like that bicycle. At first, it feels impossible. But if you keep practicing, your brain learns balance with sounds. One day you will notice, oh, I can follow fast English. I understand much more now. A helpful mindset. Remember, you do not need to understand 100%. Even native speakers do not catch every single word, especially in noisy places. Your goal is to understand the message, not every sound. If you understand 60 to 70%, that is already good. The rest you can guess from context. Also, be patient with yourself. Progress is slow at first, but then it grows quickly. It is like planting a seed. For weeks you see nothing. But under the soil, roots are growing. Then one day a green sprout appears. With time, it becomes a tree. Your listening skill is the same. Invisible growth happens inside your brain, even when you feel stuck. Do not give up. The tree is growing. Daily practice tip. Here is a simple daily exercise. Every day, choose 5 minutes of English audio that is a little faster than you are comfortable with. Listen once without stress. Then listen again and write down 2 or 3 words you recognize. Do this for 1 week. You will be surprised. After just 7 days, you can hear more than before. The key is regular practice. 5 minutes every day is better than one long study once a week. Small steps make strong habits. Closing encouragement. So, my friend, remember the 3 stories today. The train. Fast English is the same as slow English. Only the speed changes. The ocean. Do not fight every word. Ride the rhythm and catch the key ideas. The bicycle. At first it feels impossible, but with practice, your brain learns balance and suddenly it works. If you hold these images in your heart, listening to fast English will no longer feel like a monster. It will feel like a skill you are building step by step. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate small wins. Each new word you catch is a victory. Each moment you understand the main idea is proof of growth. One day soon, you will watch a movie or join a conversation and you will smile. You will think, wow, I understand this. I can do it. And you can. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing and never give up.